Sir, you're live now. You can start.
Yes, but nobody is there, no? Nobody is, even on the YouTube, nobody is there. Okay. I'm on the both YouTube as well as on the Zoom.
Yes.
Did anybody logged in?
Yes. There is someone called Crispy Whisker.
Who?
एक जण आहे ऑनलाईन त्याला सांगतो मीटिंग लिंक जॉईन करायला.
Oh, पण ती झूम लिंक तू त्यांना देता येईल ना?
हो हो मी YouTube वरती पोस्ट करतोय लगेच.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Kishan is here. Yeah.
Kishan.
Yes, sir. I was on the YouTube link. I forgot to change my name on YouTube.
Okay.
Yes,
How are
sir.
you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I am also fine. I came to Bombay just one day,
Oh, when?
but I came on, I think it was 16,
Okay.
16, 17.
Okay.
Only that night I was there. I came to IIT Bombay. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
thought of calling you, but then it was too hectic.
Right, right. So I think I might have been in IIT Bombay also around that time.
Oh, I didn't notice.
It's okay, sir.
Oh, so you have any questions?
Uh, so yes, I don't have my notebook with me, but I sent one on the document form that they asked us to send.
Oh, okay.
But
Devendra,
sorry.
maybe these people do have it, no? The
No,
empirical
no.
stuff.
Okay, I remember my question. Just
Okay.
1 second. Yes, yes, I got it. Um, okay, sir. So, after we proved the Galois correspondence,
Hmm.
uh, the question was when is like if M is a subfield, when is M over K a Galois extension, and
Yes,
we showed that it's if and only if the subgroup corresponding to it is normal in the
yes,
Galois group.
yes.
So for that proof, I had a doubt because first we showed that first we like let's say H is a normal subgroup and
Hmm.
we took H tilde as the kernel of the map from the Galois group to the subgroups of the fixed field.
Yes,
And then we showed that H is equal to H tilde and
yes,
we showed that G by H operates faithfully on the fixed field.
yes.
But from after this, I didn't understand how this means that the group is Galois.
So once you check that it's a kernel, then it is normal, no?
Yeah, but didn't we already assume that H is normal? Like we're showing that way.
No, what is the question? Can you repeat again?
So H being normal implies that the M over K is a Galois extension. That is what we were trying to prove in that proof.
Um, I would like to see the slides. Do you have that?
I have my notes. One
Can
second.
you display that?
Yes. Just a second. So can you see this?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
No,
you
you
let
can. Okay, 1 minute. Right.
okay,
L over K is the
so
finite
firstly,
Galois extension and
yes,
H is a normal subgroup. Then
yeah,
the fixed field is a
and
M in between
yes,
to to prove that M over K is Galois. This is what you want to prove, right?
yes, yes, yes,
All right. What does Galois means? That you have to prove this equality. What do you have put the question
yes,
marks?
yes, yes,
That is the definition of Galois.
yes.
All right.
And
So
then we define H tilde here,
H
and
tilde is a kernel.
yeah, and we show that H is equal to H tilde because the fixed fields are equal, and that is fine. I understood that.
But
Um,
then that means fixed field of H, L over H and fixed field of L over H tilde are same. You are
yes,
proving that, right?
yes,
And
yeah, we are
you have,
proving that,
yes.
and I understood this proof also, that why they are same and why
Yes,
this is same.
yes. But then what is the problem?
Uh, the problem is, here we prove this, that this operates faithfully here. That is fine. But then now that we want to prove this equality here, I don't
Yes,
understand
but you
how that equality
go
is
down.
coming.
See, M is in between, so it is L over K is same as L over M
Yeah,
and M over K.
yeah, and then this
But
goes here.
that is this.
Yeah,
But L over K is Galois, so this and this L over M is also Galois.
yes, yes,
So that means uh, their orders are the degrees.
yeah. Yeah, their orders are the degrees. Then we
Uh,
get that
and
this is
then
just the
therefore,
quotient group. Yeah, yeah, sorry.
right?
Yes,
Actually, you have understood everything. Only thing, what I suggest that you remember our definition of Galois the equality,
yeah, yeah,
and that that operation is faithful, etc. That is for this conclusion.
yeah. That is exactly what I didn't understand, because on the left-hand side here we have that this is equal to the quotient group G, like the order of
Yes,
G by
yes,
H. But on
but
the right-hand side, we just have this greater than equal to sign from the Artin lemma. We don't have the equality. So I don't know how that equality is coming.
no, no, no. But here you see, look here. This equality you already got,
Yes,
no?
because of
See,
the faithful operation.
this is because of this operation, faithful operation.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
See, G by H operate faithfully on this fixed field.
Yeah,
That means
yeah.
faithful means
If you take any element from G by H, and if it is identity on all elements of M, then it is the identity element.
yes.
Uh, but how does that imply this? Is
Okay.
that like an
So
exercise or?
let me just check. See, look at this. You have written G operates faithfully on X means what? That means G
Uh,
goes inside this.
yeah,
It's
a
injective,
non-identity
right?
element goes to
So
non-identity
G you
element.
can
Yes.
identify with this.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
equivalently, G is the orbit of that X.
Yeah. Yeah. G is the orbit of the
Now can
X.
you somehow tie up?
Hmm.
See, the
Okay.
orbit is what? The cardinality of the orbit will be equal to index of the stabilizer.
Yes. By
And
the
what is the
state.
stabilizer?
Uh, oh, the stabilizer is just the G by H. Okay.
So you
Oh,
use
so the
that.
oh, got it. Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. And this is the orbit stabilizer theorem.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, I understood. And
And
in this,
yes,
the special cases, the orbit is the stabilizer is just
yeah.
one
Then
L.
you got the equality there, and then everything is done.
Yeah, yeah. Then you got the equality, and yeah.
Do you
Okay,
look
I
at
understood.
some books also?
No, I've just looked at your notes.
And they are good enough.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. For
They are
me, up till now,
self-contained,
like
no?
I've been able, yeah, I've been able to attempt the exercises from the notes only. So,
Okay. Because um, even when I was a student, I didn't learn this way. I
okay,
usually I learned in the same way as everybody learns. That Galois means normal, separable, and so many things.
yes,
But that was not how historically it was proved by Lagrange or Galois or Jordan. And this
hmm,
approach is very appealing actually.
okay, yeah. I mean, I prefer this one because if it's just the equality, then the definition seems much
Yes,
less
and
daunting.
and also it also justifies the use that how group theory is born in this.
Right.
You
Yeah.
see, the orbit stabilizer theorem was the most important. No?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine.
I can see the group theory coming in a lot in this
Yes,
course.
yes.
Sorry.
But till
Yes.
this is because we had not enough time in that. Otherwise, one could have done also some examples, more appealing examples. But I didn't have time.
Right. Right. So, but like I understand the way you did it, but how does a normal like if someone takes a course on Galois theory, how do they define what a Galois extension is?
They will define first a separability.
Okay. So there's
And
separability as in like distinct roots and everything.
yes. Separability means minimal polynomial is
Okay.
splits into simple linear factors.
Okay.
And then normality.
Okay.
Normality precisely when you translate, it will mean this.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, okay.
So
I
so
just started the normal
if you
extension. Yeah,
if
sorry,
you
sorry.
see if you see the first lecture, I
Yes.
motivated by simple example. No, when
Yes.
can a simple extension is Galois.
Hmm.
So that actually says that is equivalent to it is the minimal polynomial of that generator of the field extension. The minimal polynomial will
Hmm.
be separable. That means it splits
Oh,
into
yes.
distinct linear
Yes.
factors, and
Yeah.
it
It is,
splits
and it
in
splits
that
it.
in
Yes,
that
in that way.
kx. So that was
Yes.
the motivating example.
Yes, yes, yes. I remember that was the first equivalence we had.
That is the
But
first
yeah.
immediately after we want.
Oh, oh, so that is like that is how usually it is like Galois extensions are
Yes,
defined. That and
and
we
then
just equivalently
yeah,
defined it with the
yeah, and
equality.
then later on we proved that every Galois extension is simple.
Yes, yes.
That is called primitive element
Every
theorem.
okay. No, no, no. I mean I haven't watched that yet.
Okay.
I was the other way
Where
around.
which lecture you are in?
I finished week 10, so we just started normal extensions.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Then you will have
Yes.
fun after this.
Yes, only 2 weeks are left.
But 2 weeks means how many lectures more?
10 lectures. So 10 videos, I think that means 5 lectures probably.
No, no. But so how many you watch so far?
Um, up till week 10. So, um, 1 second.
40, around 40 to 42 would be.
Yeah, like
No,
for
48 something, 40 to 49 videos.
48 already over, huh? You
yeah,
see,
there are like 63 lectures.
uh, in the beginning, what happened? I remember in the beginning, we spent a lot of time for the groups.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah.
That should have been cut down actually. But anyway,
So that was good. It brought me up to speed with everything.
hmm.
Yes, sir. So other than that, I had no doubts. I
See,
think I had.
actually, this I recently when I went to BITS Goa campus, I gave there 5 or 6 lectures of 1.5 hour,
Okay.
and I essentially finish many things in this
Oh,
one.
right. What's offline is like a bit easier because you can like see what everyone knows and then
Also face
yeah,
to face, no, so
yeah,
that makes a difference.
yeah. But this has been good because like even my classmates and all they did this course and it because it required no prerequisites, so everything was fine.
So your classmates are also attending this,
Yeah, just one. But he's a bit behind.
huh?
But he's a bit behind on the lectures. But he's doing it at his own pace.
Okay, okay. But are they happy with that?
Yes, yes, yes. They're loving the lectures.
Oh,
Yeah.
AFS happens in June, then I will be 4 weeks giving this course.
Yes, you told me last time.
So
That's what thinking.
obviously it will not be same, but I will, because it's a third level AFS, it will be faster pace.
Right. But the material will be the same.
Maybe I can add more material in that,
Right,
which was
okay.
not done here. Or some of the things, I don't know whether I proved symmetric function theorem and so on.
Yes,
Um,
symmetric function theorem was proved. The
okay.
fundamental theorem of symmetric function, right?
That I have done.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yes, that is
symmetric
done.
polynomials. Yes.
Okay.
Maybe solvability can be done. Solvability was not covered in this course.
Which one?
Solvability.
Solvability. But solvability also I wanted to do, but there was no enough time,
Yes.
because I have to also do solvable groups.
Hmm.
And I could have done, but it would have needed at least 1 or 2 more weeks.
Yes.
Also, sir, since you work in algebraic geometry and everything, uh, how good do you think that field is to go into like now?
What? How?
I mean, would you still recommend going into that field?
Which field? Algebraic geometry.
Yes,
Well, it depends on several things. For example, it depends on, um, see, this field has grown so much. Algebraic
right,
geometry is big field,
right.
and um, many subjects are required for this. So if you have a lot of patience,
Hmm.
also a lot of uh, anxiety to learn,
Hmm.
you can go. But it also depends on which kind of group you are involved with.
Okay,
So all these things you have to judge by yourself. And
right,
also uh, also one must see that the job situation with the present day.
right, right.
My own observation lately is people who do such subjects, they have, I mean, if they are very good, obviously no problem.
Hmm.
But otherwise, getting a job in India, for example,
Hmm.
it's not so easy for this field.
Right.
On the other hand, if you do some numerical calculation or this and
Hmm.
that, maybe it's easier, because all this IT sector
Yeah.
may employ easily the other people than the algebraic geometry people.
Because those things are more applicable, and this is a
Are
purely
more
theoretical
applicable, but on the
thing.
other hand, I mean, the people who has a mind to do these abstract things,
Hmm.
they usually don't like the other thing.
Yeah. That's true.
So so you have to we and our time there was no IT sector, so we many of us went in this.
Right, right.
So the time may change. So it depends on what you want to do and how to pursue your study, etc.
Okay, okay. Because I wanted to like go into some sort of like either algebraic topology or geometry or some intersection of that.
Yeah, all those fields. You
So
see, algebraic number theory, algebraic
yeah,
topology, also commutative algebra, algebraic
yeah,
geometry. They have a lot of overlaps,
yes,
and also complex analysis.
yes.
So it depends on one choice.
Right. So that is why I was taking this course to build that prerequisite. And also I think I'll take commutative algebra in the spring
Hmm.
in Patil thing.
Okay.
Your commutative algebra course.
Yes, but that commutative algebra is not first level. So it will be like a
Okay,
second level.
But
okay.
we do have this algebraic geometry and commutative algebra running next semester, right?
That is better.
Okay.
Ishan,
Is it your
yeah,
course only or is
yeah,
it?
it is
Yes.
my course only.
Oh, okay. And that doesn't require as much prerequisites.
That in fact that the course, if you see the name, that is Introduction to Algebraic Geometry and Commutative Algebra. So
Oh,
whatever
okay.
That covers
commutative
both of them
algebra was
simultaneously.
needed, that was covered.
Okay, okay, great.
Only
Great.
that.
Okay. Okay, then I'll take that, I think.
Yeah, that course will be
Yeah.
more motivating to understand the geometry behind the commutative algebra that goes around.
Yes, yes.
Right. Right, right. But this commutative algebra is not first level, the one already,
See, the
right?
commutative algebra course, when I was in IIT Bombay, no, I gave
Hmm.
it, that was their regular course.
Okay, okay.
And some students and also some of my colleagues, they were attending. So then afterwards, we converted to NPTEL course. They were recording anyway.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, okay. Because the introduction to that course, it said that you assume no little to no prerequisites for
Uh,
that.
so how come nobody comes on these live
Live
meetings?
session.
So that
The
just
students are.
yeah, sorry.
Did you get the notification in time regarding
Yes,
this?
yes, yes. I had it, I think, a week or 10 days ago. The YouTube link. I got it on email.
Also, these RM, what is it, PMRF student, they give lectures or how is it their meetings?
So who are you asking?
PMR
The,
to you this
Uh,
PMR Sunday problem
what is
solving
what is
sessions.
oh, the live interaction sessions. Oh yeah, I joined. So usually I don't get time to join those, but I joined it once, and no one was there. I think just the instructor was there, and they were solving all the problems.
so who are the instructor?
I don't remember, sir, but he was just solving. He was just explaining and solving all the problems, but no one was in the meeting.
You see, the trouble with that session is, I will tell you what I am not very happy with that, because, see, for example, Sagar actually attended this when I was recording.
Yes.
Hmm.
So everything, every details, he knew it, and whatever he didn't know, we discussed later.
Hmm.
So that it was like him.
Hmm.
But these PMRF guys, they might have attended some other course which may not be in this style,
Right.
but their definitions will differ from mine and so on.
Right. Right. Right.
So that may create a confusion.
Right. Uh, I can't speak on how they teach because I haven't attended those lectures.
Hmm.
But yeah. And I think like most students, like there were only 14 exam registrations
Yes,
for Galois theory.
How many people will write exam, Sagar?
14 have paid the fees, so we can assume at most 14.
14. Okay. I got a call from this NPTEL office that linear algebra, they are more, and so we have to finish in 2 weeks or something.
Yeah, it's almost 100 answer copies.
so so that will be tough time for you.
Yeah, actually आपण त्यांना ना ह्याची रिक्वेस्ट केली पाहिजे की
But
we should request him.
maybe all of them may not come for exam.
Yes, but then ends a no to correct it online and do the data entry, it becomes a very difficult task.
Hmm.
So we can
But
ask them for some extension. They do consider it.
yeah, we'll ask some, if necessary, we'll ask some extension.
Yeah, let's say if I
Actually,
can.
as both the things, linear algebra as well as Galois theory, I wanted to continue the courses, but then NPTEL doesn't have that possibility now,
Oh,
because I already have 4 courses. No, so NPTEL says that each professor can only give 4 courses,
4 courses.
and also recording may be difficult for me because you have to go to that NPTEL office.
Oh, the ISC office. Ah,
Uh, that is that is tough for me now.
oh,
And also they are also waiting for the many courses are being recorded, so we'll have to wait. We have to make the appointment and so on.
oh. But if not on NPTEL, is it possible for you to record your AFS videos?
How can we record? Where?
Maybe if you're having AFS in Geetham, ask them if they're having the recording facility.
See, the Geetham's quality is not. I am not happy with recording.
Oh, because your AFS1 lectures during the online
But
session. That was better.
Sagar and also Kishan, I want to
Yes,
ask
sir.
you: is it possible for us to record somehow?
Uh, this Zoom meeting. Uh,
Zoom or Google? I don't know
We
where.
can, we
I am
can,
not.
especially after you have your
yeah,
iPad, no? We can surely do that.
yeah, yes, it's very easy to do Zoom recordings. Uh, you can so like how I shared the screen, you can share your iPad or whatever where you write everything, and
Huh.
that can be recorded. That is not a problem.
But how is the quality?
Quality is good. Quality is like just as
Huh.
how I see it.
So what we can do is when you finish this course, no,
Yes.
and if you want to learn that solvability
Hmm.
by radicals, that
Hmm.
theorem, then I can give this lecture on our timings. So
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
it could be late evenings or after dinner or so, and
Hmm.
then we will record it.
Okay, sir. I'm okay with that.
Yeah,
We'll
that
do that.
was fine.
That whoever wants to attend, we can say you can attend
Yes. Yes.
because
Yeah.
there also uh, not many books prove that very clearly.
Yes,
Yeah. Right.
that is true.
So we can. That's a good topic to also for me to lecture again.
The only problem with Zoom might be if it's not through the organization or something, the meeting ends in 40 minutes.
Okay.
But if
But
we
what
have
about Google? What about Google?
Google
Google what?
Google,
has
you can.
Google has no such restriction, but I'm not sure on the recording and the quality aspect of the Google
But
meetings.
uh, when I was in this college in Bombay, this I gave some lectures on linear algebra there. No, it was
Hmm.
like a FDP,
Hmm.
faculty development program. I gave 25
Hmm.
lectures there, and they have
Hmm.
recorded on Google.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
So I don't know what they have done. Do we need a Google license for that, or I don't know the details.
I'll check once because IIT Madras probably has a Google license.
No, but they were doing with some other program. I don't know what that was.
Okay.
So anyway, you ask some experts who can help us.
Yes.
But sir, like at least for Zoom, I think if you log in through the institution email, it should be Zoom Premium. I'm pretty sure.
But the Geetam Zoom they will it's complicated to log in through them because they will ask many questions and so on.
Okay, okay. Or let's say Sagar sir here, if he logs in through his,
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
how
My
this is
institute doesn't
happening.
have Zoom. My institute has Google Meet, the premium version. So I
Okay,
have
Which
this recording rights and everything.
which
okay.
is better, Google or Zoom?
I feel like Zoom
So
is better because,
Zoom, quality-wise, Zoom is
yeah.
better.
Okay. Then Sagar, if you have possibility,
Zoom is not there with
or what we
IIT.
can do, or else what we can do is Zoom. You said 40 minutes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So we can make a break after that, and then another one we can
Okay.
start.
But then we'll
Like
have
a
to be very
35 minutes.
efficient with those 40 minutes.
No. So what we will do is 30-35 minutes we will stop. That will be half session.
Yes, yes, yes.
And then 10-15 minutes later we will again join.
Okay, that will also work.
Because anyway at a stage if you hear for 1 hour quarter and so on, maybe the concentration or some other thing. So this may
Right.
work out better.
Yeah.
And
Let me
also,
just.
how does Gopal gives this one, the Zoom meeting, or what does Gopal do? Or
Uh, he
he may be
so
joining through IIT.
no, so we just have Google Meets, and there Google Meets has no time limit. So we just join there and we listen to him talk for 1 hour, and then that is all.
Okay,
But
but
we don't record those meetings, so I don't know how recordings go with Google Meets.
okay.
Yes. So
That also
also,
anyway you find out, and another option is the Zoom twice. I mean,
yes,
with a
yes.
break.
I'll look into the Google Meet recording
Okay,
too.
and then we will fix up a time. Mostly, I will prefer late in the evening.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Any time is fine with me.
Okay, okay. Nobody else is there.
right now I can't see anyone apart
Who?
from we. We five people are only the ones over here.
Even on YouTube, nobody there. Huh?
Yeah. Even on YouTube.
Sir, also one very minor thing.
Yeah, sure.
I think in one of the lectures I noticed an error. I put it on that community forum, but no one replied. It was a very basic thing. It was the sign. If you take any element from the alternating group of n letters,
Mm.
then the sign of that should be 1.
Ah,
Mm.
So I think in one of the lectures you wrote it as -1.
okay, okay. That you can tell me the lecture. I will see it.
Yes, lecture 48. At
48.
timestamp is 32:50.
Okay, I will check 48. No.
Yeah, lecture 48 and around half an hour, like
Okay.
32 minutes 50 seconds.
That may be writing error, or I don't know what happened.
Yeah, I mean later in the proof you use the fact that it is
One.
1 only, but I think you wrote it as -1.
But did I also orally say it -1?
Yes, yes, yes.
Ah, okay. So that may be
Yes.
Slip of tongue.
Yeah, that is all.
okay. Sagar, also you see if anybody there. Otherwise, we can close it.
No one is there at least from what I can see.
But who is from IIT? You have to tell him also, no?
Yeah, Devendra is there, right?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello, Devendra.
Yes, sir.
See, only one person was there.
Yes.
So these meetings are not very effective. I don't know. They need to improve this.
Okay.
Okay, so if nobody there, shall we close down?
Yes, sir. Sure. It's up to you.
Okay, let's close down then.
Okay, sir. I will close the meeting.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, Kishan.
Yeah.
Bye. All the best.
Yes, thank you, sir.